Students, next topic is combining commands. Okay, in last class we learned some of the command. Okay, now how we can combine those command we'll see in this topic. Okay, Unix allow you to specify more than one command in the command line. Means using one command line we can use n number of commands. Okay, nothing but we can combine the commands. Okay, each command has to be separated from the other by a semicolon. Means one command in the ಇನ್ನೊಂದು command separate ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ we are going to use semicolon. For example, you can see that here $WC nothing but word count note semicolon ls minus l note. We know that why you are using word count wc means word count. Okay, it's going to count number of lines, word and byte or character count. Okay, this wc. Why you are using ls? It's going to list or list all the files. ls means ls hyphen l is going to give the details of the file. Okay, you can see that wc, the above command, first it display the line count, word count, byte count or character count in the note file. This is file name. Note is the file name. Along with this is also display the details of note file. Means it also give the details about the note file. Okay, when you learn to redirect the output of this command, you may even like to group them together within the parentheses. Means we can group using parentheses. Okay, next example. Okay, this is grouping. Okay, wc nothing but word count note semicolon ls minus l note. This is we call it as white space new list. Here what will going to happen means the combined output of two commands is now sent to the file new list. Means n output both it will be stored or sent to this new file list. Okay, white space is provided here only for better readability. This is white space greater than symbol only provided for the better readability. To read easily we inserted this white space. You may be reduce a new key scatters like this. Means some of the key scatters may be reduced. You can see that here we miss this open bracket. Okay, here in this way also you can write the same command. Okay, this is also the same function will be happen. Okay, next, a command line can overflow or to be split into multiple lines. A command line can overflow means it is full and it may be go to next line or be split into multiple lines, or you can split that command line into multiple line. Okay, when it is going to overflow we'll discuss now. A command line is often keyed in through the terminal width is restricted to 18 character. Means one line only we can insert only 18 character. That does not prevent you from entering a command. Means that will not going to does not prevent from the entering the command or a sequence of them in one line, even though the total width may exceed 18 character. The command simply overflow to next line, though it is still in a single logical line. Means they told that the command single line will be set to 80 line. After 80 line also the command will overflow to next line. Okay, it will not going to cut here. Means it will overflow, means it will go into next line. Means they are telling that here command line is set to 18 character. After the 18 character, next character will move to next line. Okay, means it going to overflow. Means here the command will not going to cut. Okay, it will simply overflow. Mean there is no change in the command. The command meaning will be same if character is moved to next line also. Okay, sometime you will find it is necessary or desirable to split a long command line into multiple lines. Okay, in that case the shell issues a secondary prompt, usually a less than symbol, to indicate to you that the command line is not complete. This is easily shown with the echo command. Okay, they are telling that we know that you are using more than 18 character command. Okay, you only know that you are using more than 80 character command. On that time you only simply split the command like this: echo this is. You have to go to next line, give this secondary prompt nothing but greater than symbol. Next, if you want to go to next line, next write your secondary prompt nothing but greater. Okay, here it is the example: echo open double quotes this is. Next, a three line you have to write in next line. Here you enter secondary prompt nothing but greater than symbol. Next, you want to enter the text message in next line. Here also you are entering the secondary prompt nothing but greater than symbol. Okay, what is the output for this echo command? Output is nothing but this is. Means first line output is here. Next, a three line that is will be printed here. Next, text message will be printed here. This is the output of splitting a command line into multiple lines. Next topic is meaning of internal and external command. There are two types of commands. First one is internal command, next one is external command. For internal command, example is echo. External command, example is ls and cat. What is mean by internal command? Internal commands are something which is split into the shell. For the shell built-in command, the execution speed is really high because shell built in command. So the execution speed is really high. It is because no process needed to be spanned for the executing it. Okay, means there is no process needed to release for the execution of it. So the execution speed will be high. Okay, for example, when using the cd command, no process is created. The current directory simply gets changes on executing it. Means when you are using cd, this is internal command. Okay, next slide we are going to discuss how we are come to know which is internal, which is external command. Okay, in that slide we will come to know what is internal, what is external. Next, external commands are not built in to the shell. Here external commands are not built into shell, but internal commands are something which is built into a shell. These are executable present in a separate file. Means it's going to executable present in a separate file. When an external command has to be executed, a new process has to be span on nothing but release and the command get executed. Means here the execution process is slow. Here execution process is high because it is built in. The command is built in. Here the execution command in separate file, so process is slow. Here process is high. For example, when you execute the cat command, which usually is at slash user slash bin, the executable, means the cat command will be presented in the this part user slash bin slash cat. So the execution is slow. Here how to find out the whether the command is internal command or external command. Using type command we can check whether the command is internal command or external command. For example, dollar type cd. Okay, chain directory. Cd is a shell built in. You can check that using your Fedora. Open your terminal, type as a type and space cd. It will show as it is a shell built in, means it is internal command. Okay, next example, type cat. Okay, cat is slash means slash cat, means the cat is present in the bin folder, means it is external command. External command is nothing but the cat command present in separate file, but cd command present in built-in file. So here using type command we can check all the command we discuss, it is internal or external. Suppose you want to check ls is internal command or external command, just type space ls, give enter, it will show internal or external. Okay, type is used to know the command is internal or external. Okay, next, the type command know the type of command and locating it. I already discussed type command. Type command is to know the type of the command, means it is internal or external, and locating it. Locating is nothing but it is built in or it is in the other file or path. Okay, here you can see that type. Okay, you can see that this is another example. Type is shell built-in, means it is internal. Okay, next type cp. Okay, the cp is slash bin slash cp, means it is external. Okay, this is internal, this is external. You can check that there is another one type is there, type ls. The output ls is alias to ls hyphen color is equal to tty. What is this? Here the definition for this example. Here we see the result for three different commands. Okay, this is internal, this is external, this is somewhat special, we'll discuss here. Okay, note that one of for ls taken from a fedora system, and how the ls command is actually a alias for the ls command with hyphen color is equal to tty option is added. This option is added means alias given to ls. Okay, why this alias is added? Now we know why the output for ls is displayed in color, means if you enter $ls, it's going to print all the file. Okay, you can check that there will be a mixture of colors like orange, blue, black, like this. Some colors will be using that colors, we are going to get the details of all the file. I will show example. Okay, this is the command ls minus l. You can see that here there is a mixture of color like black, blue, green, like this. Why here printed in different color? Means because of alias is there, ls hyphen color is equal to tty. Okay, so the output is printed in the different colors. Okay, this is one type of command. Okay, alias command, internal external alias command. Okay, next the topic is the root login. Okay, we know that for login have to use login name and password. Okay, the root, the system administrator login. Okay, the Unix system provide a special login name for a exclusive use of the administrative. It is called as root, means this root is used by the administrator, means nothing but the boss of the company. Okay, the account does not need to be separately created, means this account need not to be separately created, but comes with the every system, means it going to come with the every system. Means separate create ಮಾಡೋದೇನು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, welcoming means it come with the every system. every system ಇದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ is generally set at the time of the installation of the system. Okay, the password will be set at the installation of the system and has to be used on logging in. This password will be used in the time of login. Okay, login name is root, password is we don't know what administrator is given, during the installation that password should be given. Okay, the prompt of the root is hash, means this is administrator is login. Suppose we get $r, this percentage symbol, the other non-privileged users are login we going to get. Okay, once you log in as a root, you are placed in root home, means ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ರೂಟ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿ only. Okay, depend on the system, it could be slash or slash root, ಈ ಥರ path you are going to get. Okay, next become the super user. Su command means any users can acquire super user status with super user command if we know the root password, means you can be the super users for the root only when root password is known. Okay, example, the user gmit become the super user in this way. Okay, first you have to enter su as a command. This is command, and after entering su and you will enter button, then it going to ask for the password. If we know the root password, we are going to enter root password. Okay, after that if he going to get the hash prompt, means he successfully the super user of the root anta, means he is the super user of the root, means ಏನು administrative use ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೋ he is also can use or rewrite like this when he get the hash prompt. Okay, then the path will be like this /home/gmit, means this gmit became the super user now. Okay, though the current directory does not change, the hash prompt indicate the gmit now as power of super user. Okay, means ಈ hash symbol he got it, means he is the power of super user, means he can use as a administrator. Okay, this is the end of first chapter in first module. Okay, thank you.